Start by taking the 4 side bolts out, 2 on each side. Save these 4 bolts because you'll need them later to install your new bumper cap. If you have a hitch, pop the 4-pin connector out of the bracket and pull the wiring loose from the cross member. Each side will have a bracket with 2 bolts holding the bumper on. Remove all 4 bolts. No need to save these. The bumper should now be free to pull off. Pull the 3 bolts out of the factory hook. Again, you won't need these parts any longer. If you have a factory hitch, remove the bolts from the back side of the hitch. Once the hitch is off, you'll notice the hole on the passenger side is smaller than the rest. Run a 1/2-inch drill through the hole farthest to the passenger side. Moving to the bench, secure your hitch so that you can remove the weld nuts. Cut 4 or 5 of the spot welds off and give it a good hit. They'll break free. You are now ready to slide your new bumper cap into place. 4 bolts you saved earlier, start the bolts in the side to hold it in place. Do not tighten them quite yet. Slide the hitch back into the cross member. Using the supplied hardware, install 1 bolt and spacer in each mounting hole with a nut on the back side. Tighten all 4 nuts and bolts on the face of the bumper cap. Move back to the side bolts and tighten them as well. Install your trailer wiring back on the mounting bracket, and you're good to go. For more information, head over to steinjager.com. Be sure to follow us on YouTube and Facebook to see more awesome stuff that we're working on. Thanks for watching.